The revolutionary Wero Swiss Lundatex compression products provide safe, comfortable pressure at all times. And no matter the leg shape or size, precise compression is guaranteed. The compression remains constant for up to 7 days, even after edema reduction. The compression system is comprised of a Wero Swiss Lundatex compression bandage cohesive, a press lock fixating device, a set of easy patches to apply stiffness, and a fix patch to close the system. To ensure correct sizing, measure the smallest and largest parts of the leg. Size medium will fit all circumferences from 18 up to 45 centimeters, and size large between 30 and 60 centimeters. No padding is needed to reshape the leg, but it can be used to protect bony prominences. Wound dressings and tubular bandage can also be applied to protect the skin or wounds if necessary. The bandage has a midline to help guide a 50% overlap, and cross lines to ensure the correct stretch. Apply the bandage with the leg in a resting position and angle the foot at 90 degrees. Start the application at the toe base and place the first cross line on top of the foot. Secure the end by double wrapping the first turn. Position the cross lines in line with one another on the top of the foot. To cover the heel, make 4 looser turns, placing the cross lines on either side of the ankle. For the first turn, wrap the bandage so that it covers the lower ankle and the upper portion of the heel, placing the cross line on the inside of the ankle. For the second turn, place the cross line on the outside of the ankle and wrap the bandage under the heel. For the third turn, position the cross line on the inside of the ankle. And for the fourth and final turn, wrap the bandage until the cross line is positioned on the outside of the ankle. Continue to wrap the bandage around the ankle and place the next cross line at the top of the tibia in alignment with the cross lines on the top of the foot. From the ankle up, wrap the bandage along the leg and position the cross lines along the tibia, carefully following the overlap line. Hold the bandage roll in parallel to the leg, adapting the stretching force depending on the leg circumference of each circular turn. The overlap guide should always be visible, as extra layering will cause increased pressure. The cross lines should be placed in line with one another, using the tibia as a guide. You will notice that you have to stretch the bandage more when wrapping the thicker parts of the leg. Due to the special properties of the bandage, this will result in an even pressure along the entire leg. Stop wrapping the bandage about 2 centimeters below the knee. Apply the press lock to the outside of the leg, about 2 centimeters below the edge of the bandage to prevent chafing. The opening and orange strip should face the bandage roll. Place the bandage inside of the press lock, cut off the excess material, and remove the orange strip. Then close the press lock. If needed, press lock can easily be removed and reattached for adjustments. To prevent slippage, surgical tape can be used on both sides of the heel as well as under it, and at the first turn of the bandage. A correct application of the bandage will look like this: the cross lines on the bandage forming a line along the tibia, and the horizontal lines visible around the leg at each turn. Now we will apply a series of patch products to create a stiff outer layer to increase working pressure. To begin, 3 easy patches will be placed across the back of the leg, covering the calf area. Adhere the first easy patch about 8 centimeters above the malleoli. Next, adhere the second easy patch above the first patch, overlapping it by approximately 1 centimeter. The third patch is placed above the second with the same overlap. The 3 easy patches should now cover the main part of the calf muscle. Make sure that the patches adhere to the bandage and that no air pockets are created. Next, place easy patches along both sides of the leg parallel to the tibia. Ensure they overlap the previously applied patches enough. Some extra patches are included if 1 per side isn't enough. If they are needed, overlap them with the existing patches. Leave a 2 centimeter gap on either side of the mid-guideline. Place the fix patch over the gap along the tibia. First, adhere one side of the fix patch, and then stretch it across the gap and secure it with the same amount of overlap on the other side. A correct application of the system should look like this, with the patch products covering the calf area. To maintain the pressure over time and after edema reduction, adjust fix patch every morning or whenever the fix patch becomes loose by opening one side, re-stretching it, and closing it. To remove all of the patch products, start with releasing the fix patch. Then loosen the easy patch on one side of the leg and carefully peel off all the patches in one single go. The patches can now be reapplied as a wrap or disassembled to be reused again later. When needed, the patch products can be washed. Please follow the instructions in the IFU. This unique system provides low, safe pressure at rest and high, effective pressure during walking or standing. Please visit our website for more information and for contact details.